welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is an unboxing and review from a bag from coeebags. I received another bag from coeebags. This was a gift. This video is not sponsored, but I want to thank coeebags for gifting me another beautiful bag, which I'm very excited to unbox with you. This is not my usual setup, but it is so cold here in our home that I'm sitting in my son's room. As you can see by the background, it is quite warm here with the sun. I just wanted to quickly say that I had an infection, but I'm all fine now. And I'm just very excited to film another video for you and to unbox a bag. So yeah, let's get started with the video. This time I went for a crossbody bag, a everyday crossbody bag. Which is slightly bigger than the ones that I have, so I can still fit quite a lot of things in there. I have a toddler, so I either bring a tote bag, which I can fill lots of things in, or a crossbody bag, so I have my hands free. So yeah, let's unbox this bag. I also wanted to go for quite a neutral color that will go with lots of outfits. So yeah, you will see that in a second. So I love the box, it's magnetic, as you can see. And then let's see what we get in here. So you also receive a gift bag. So if it's a gift for someone, you can put it in here, which is also really nice to have. Okay, so let's unbox it. What I really love about coeebags is that they wrap it very well. I never got a bag damaged or anything like that, so that's great. Then you also got some paperwork in here. And then you always receive a dust bag, which I really love because I store my bags in these and then I just keep them nice and organized. So I really love that. So let's see the bag. I haven't had a look yet, so I'm very curious. So let's open it. Ooh, so excited for a new bag. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Oh, I love this color. Look at that. So this is the YSL Look camera bag and this is in the color nude. Lots of protection again on the straps and on the hardware, as you can see. So it doesn't get damaged. I didn't get a scissor, so maybe I need one, or no, I can do it like this. Okay, so this is the strap and as you can see, you can adjust it. So that's great. And I love an adjustable strap because, you know, we're not all the same height. I'm quite tall though. I am 178 centimeters, which is 5'10", I believe. So I'm quite tall. Okay, so let's put it in the, I don't know, the first one. I will also try it on later so you can see the length of it. As you can see, you got again some protection on the hardware. I love the color of the hardware. It's gold, but it's kind of like a vintage gold, if that makes sense. Which goes great with the color, I think. The zip as well. So let's have a look on the inside of the bag. It also comes with a little tassel, which, you know, if you prefer it like this, you can just, you know, wear it like that. But the tassel kind of gives it a boho vibe, more of a summer, you know, hippie vibe. This is the tassel, which again got this lovely golden hardware. And like I mentioned, it's kind of like a vintage gold, so pretty. Then you also got here Saint Laurent, Yves Saint Laurent, yeah. I think I'm also going to keep this paper because when you store the bag, it doesn't lose its shape. And you got so much space in here, so you've got some more paperwork as well. But what I love about this bag is that it's so spacious. Look at that. Like, this is my hand and my hands are quite big, but you got so much space. Like, you can fit lots of things in here. And that's what I love about this bag. The zipper goes very smooth. Let's put the tassel on as well, so you can see how that looks. Okay, so I just put the tassel on the strap. So I just opened it. I'm not sure if that's the correct way, but the tassel is on right now. And look at that. That's so cute. So this is how the bag looks up close. The stitching is very, very well done. Very pretty. This is the side of the bag. It also has this lovely leathery smell to it. Look at the stitching. Very well done. I think it's a very versatile color. You can combine this with so many things. And I think the color is not too light because I'm kind of scared for color transfer if you're wearing like a jeans or a red top, for example, and it rubs on the bag. I had that before, unfortunately, with a very light beige bag. You have like a color transfer, and I think with this color you won't have that because it's a dark enough nude to not show that, I hope. So yeah, I'm in love with the color. So pretty. And what I also really love is that it's very lightweight. Like honestly, it's very lightweight. So that's great because, you know, then I can fill it with lots of things. So let's put my essentials in here so you can see what fits inside. Okay, so let's see. I have my passport holder. Then I have my wallet. Then I have some tissues. I always need some tissues. Then let's put some lip products in here. You also have a little pocket for your phone, so let's put my phone in there as well. This is my phone, quite big. And what else should I put in there? I have an anti-bag, little spray. And as you can see, I still have lots of room. Like, I'm so impressed with how much this can hold. I already watched some videos on YouTube to see what everyday crossbody bag would be great. And I was just so impressed with this, and look at that, there's still lots of room. So yeah, this is a great everyday crossbody bag, I think. Okay, so I absolutely love this bag. Look at that. Isn't that a great size for every day? Like I mentioned, it fit loads. It's on my hip, but you can adjust the strap. So I think it will be great for the smaller girls out there as well. So it might be a bit higher up. But I really love where it sits. Again, I think this color is just great, with lots of different outfits and a great size. I love the tassel. Let me know if you prefer it without the tassel or with the tassel. I think the tassel is kind of like more summer vibes maybe, and then without the tassel more for fall and winter. I don't know. Let me know what you think. But yeah, I just absolutely love this bag so much. I can't wait to use it. Let me know your thoughts of this bag. Do you think it's a great everyday bag? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys very soon in one of my other videos. Bye!